Z0 and X2 minus X148 Z minus 3.96.
Okay.
This profile. So X131 enter Z0 X48. Okay, and
Okay.
Z minus 3.96. Okay, you go down. What is the big when you start? X140. Actually, my job diameter 147. So I put 148.
Yes.
Z plus done. This XZ here.
Yes, yes.
XZ safety distance here. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So safety distance. It means retract. When
Yeah.
machine comes
Machine
in the
come,
rapid,
they come back.
2 mm safe
Yes.
zone. Z 2 mm safe zone. If you go there, RPM
Yes.
max 400, clockwise, pull and down, roughing parameter 0.2, speed 400, tool number 4. Tool this one
D.
tool path I think, yeah, D.
The
Tool
tool
number 4.
post, yeah.
Tool post no air.
Yeah.
This some D value, some 0.4
Yes.
or depend nose radius. Tool compensation. Okay,
Yes.
this depth of cut. This one retract value. When you cut
The-
0.1,
Yes.
return. Okay, this one
Okay.
finishing 0.1 speed till number, and this one finish value in 0.5.
Okay.
Okay, so P program enter replace. Now you go and check the graph. You go here Z minus 20 depend upon our job length. Z 0.0.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't make fast, slowly.
Slow, it's okay. Inside 0.0. I
Okay.
show the exact this one 147 outside diameter.
Okay.
Enter now P program graphic clear screen. The cycle
Zero,
start.
cycle
You set
start.
this one. This tool coming.
Yeah.
You just follow this one. Finish pass only. Khalas.
Single block.
See.
Yes, I see the reading.
Okay, P program recall T0 enter P program enter replace. Why? Just now finish pass come direct.
Yeah. Yes, I can see. But this one is in the single block or
131. This one is pointed.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one single block in.
every time they do single block, huh?
No,
This-
no, just I will just follow.
Okay,
3.96. They consider that full nose radius.
Okay.
This one remove. Khalas. Now again recall T4 enter. If you forget here na, they go direct finish
Yeah,
first. Then again graph check.
Kalas.
So now we start this one profile, small profile.
Okay.
Oh sorry.
This one already in the program, huh?
Yeah. Go and check in the glass. Wait, I will clean this glass. Wait, huh? Come on.
Oh, very clean. Too much clean.
This one blur, huh?
Yeah. No, it's okay.
Wait.
It's okay. Kalas. Now start. Start.
Wait. Now see. Just tell me, huh?
Yeah.
J 10 mm, 5 mm plus 4.
Yes, Kalas.
Now I remove the single block and just check.
Wait. This tool, it will not touch the jaw? This tool? This the the long one, the boring
No,
tools.
because see, this now is 1 mm now, this 148.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
cut. See here Z0,
Yes.
now cut.
Yes. Because champering only.
Yeah.
That's why it's okay.
I never start the coolant, huh?
Yeah. Oh my God, very nice. Now they will start. Say axis.
बताया नहीं, मशीन को बता दी और क्या उधर जाके उसको ऐसा लगे कि इन्होंने छुपाया उससे अच्छा है।
वो तो बात सही है। मैं जान के थोड़ा नहीं करता होता।
Kalas.
तो कभी मैं फ्रस्ट्रेशन माइंड भी थोड़ा ये हो जाता है।
Kalas,
Not खलास यार।
one more.
Finish first.
Yeah,
This one
finishing.
Now finish first.
This is finishing?
Yeah.
Okay. They making slide. Boom. Oh my God. I will show him the actual. Stop.
Stop.
M30. Wow.